Hi, hello friends, welcome back to our Health Advisors channel. Today our topic is carbohydrates. By this video, we can learn how much importance of carbohydrate to our body. Before learn about carbohydrates, please subscribe my channel, click on bell icon. You can get more notifications to your mobile. If you like the video, you might like. We'll go to topic. Carbohydrates are found in plants and formulated by carbon dioxide and photosynthesis in environment. They provide storage and transport of energy, assist in proper functioning of the immune system, play major roles in fertilization, pathogenesis, blood clotting and development. Carbohydrates are the major components of most plants. Plants make carbohydrates on their own through photosynthesis. Now we'll see the calories values of carbohydrates. 1 gram carbohydrates provide 4 kilogram calories. When go to the recommended daily allowances, 130 grams each day for children and adults. Use sugars in moderation. Women need at least 38 grams of carbohydrate from fiber a day. Men need at least 25 grams of carbohydrates from fiber a day. Dietary sources of carbohydrates: sugar 100%, white flour 80% of carbohydrate, honey 76% of carbohydrate, biscuit and semi sweet 75% of carbohydrate, from jam 69% of carbohydrate, chocolate 59% of carbohydrate, white bread 50% of carbohydrates, potatoes 21% of carbohydrates, rice 82% of carbohydrate, carrots 5.4% of carbohydrates. When go to the function of carbohydrates, the primary function of carbohydrate is to provide energy for the body, especially for the brain tissue, cells and nervous system. Carbohydrate glucose is the main component of carbohydrate and is used for energy. To get energy also, these carbohydrates are very important to our body. Carbohydrates are not that most essential nutrients for humans. The body can obtain all of its energy from protein and fats. So we all know that from fats and from the proteins we can get the energy. However, the brain and neurons generally can get burn fat and need glucose for energy. The body can make some glucose from a few of the amino acids in protein and also from triglycerides. Triglycerides nothing but fats. Glucose act as energy yielding compounds, the major fuel of the tissues. Constitutes the structural material of the organism of carbohydrates. Dietary fiber can help lower blood cholesterol, maintain lipid profile normal. Carbohydrate is a part of connective tissues, some hormones and enzymes and genetic material. These are the main functions of carbohydrates which is help to our body. So because of this carbohydrates, if any lacking of carbohydrates, we can get the deficiency of carbohydrates in our body. So because of this deficiency, we can get some kind of diseases. These are hypoglycemia, hyperglycemia, glycosuria. Glycosuria nothing but glucose in urine. Galactosemia. Galactosemia nothing but galactose metabolism disorder. Diarrhea, underweight. These are the most deficiencies we can get if we are not having proper adequate of carbohydrates in our body. So friends, I hope you understood about the carbohydrates and the functions and how much importance of carbohydrates in our body. Thank you friends for your support.